This is just straight ridiculous. Like, I can't. This is not it. Don't mind this dirty shirt. This is too much. I've been gone for some time now. I'm aware. But we're just gonna skip over that because I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. I've been running around all day trying to fix this light. I ain't used this light in forever and now it wants to break. Happy New Year's. It's definitely the first. 508. January 1st. So today I'm just gonna be doing a little hair video. Oh wait, let's rewind. Welcome back to my channel. I guess I don't deserve to say that because I've been saying that and then disappearing and then saying it again and then disappearing again and then saying it again and then disappearing again. So we're just gonna have to just go with the flow now. Yeah, I'm here and it just feels good. It really does feel good. I've been stressed. I've been a little bit depressed. I've been eating right. I'm getting thick, real thick. Real thick. I've just been all over the place and I'm ready to have some structure in my life again. I'm ready to, you know, do the things I'm supposed to be doing. That's what I'm ready to do. And this is one of the things. I'm here to be back and, you know, help y'all like I said I would. Other than that, we're just gonna get on with it. Today I need to be doing my hair. I need to rip off this rusty dusty wig. This wig it's been going through some things. I've been putting this tie on because my hairline receding a little bit, but we're not talking about that. That's not what we're talking about. We're not here for that. We're here for the hair installment to get my hair done, you know? Her in the background. She's ready to be on my head. So first things first, I need to take this wig off. Then I'm gonna moisturize my hair real well. And then I'm gonna apply my lace frontal. And I don't know if y'all remember, but I got my hair cut about a nice year ago. So my busted up cornrows, y'all mind y'all business. Just mind your business. I mean, I think I got some new cornrows underneath. I got my hair braided like a month ago. My hair itching, so I need to oil my scalp real nice. I need to make sure my scalp real moisturized. And I just need to keep it pushing. I'm not gonna take y'all's ears off because y'all know I can do that. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I'm gonna play some music for y'all so y'all can just chill, watch this, period. Now let's go ahead and get started.